Welcome chat, welcome everyone. Hey, good morning, good evening guys. Welcome everyone. How do you feel today? How do you feel today chat? Great to see you. How do you feel today? Welcome everyone. Look at the price section. Moving into New Year's conditions into 2026. We haven't touched the daily opening, but I think we're gonna touch that 683. Good morning everyone. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for joining. And maybe some of you already sitting into 2026, right? Maybe some of you already there. Happy New Year. We're going to talk about it today, guys. How is New Zealand? We might have community members from New Zealand. We might have community members from... I guess we have them from all over the place. Yeah. I guess we have them from all over the place. $225,000 in 3 giveaways today. It's going to be crazy, guys. I do have to trade, but I don't like the way it has increased without me taking advantage of this. If I would have started our live stream 30 minutes ago, like we start usually, we would have had to catch this movement nicely. This one. And that would have been enough today. 30 points. Not even needing that much. So let me just get all the messages. $225 on the promotion today for the giveaways. And we're going to set that Happy New Year as well. How do you feel, chat? Good morning, welcome guys. Great to have you on board. Let's just get some more markets discussion. Let me share this video with all the community members. Pretty much everywhere. There might not be that much of a trading going on today. But we're going to be together. Today, it is a live stream to share my gratitude. That's the reason of today's live stream, to share my gratitude and be right there rewarding our lovely community. Right there rewarding our lovely community, guys. Thank you so much. Mr. Payouts, Scramble, yeah. We secured a lot of the payouts there. Actually 4 in the past week. But that's something. In this market where we've been going through holidays, securing payouts during such conditions is something different, right? We've got 13.3. This is the day number 4 here. Day number 4 here. On this account, considering the way the sessions were organized, this is day number 4, guys. Which is the first country? Which is the first community member entering into 2026? We might have someone already in 2026. I don't know, guys. You want to check that out? Or you guys want to let me know if you're sitting in 2026 already? I think we have some people that are close to 2026. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Yeah, so in terms of coupon codes and discounts, thank you so much, guys. We're giving back a lot of the people enjoying the accounts from the giveaways and taking them to the payouts. Thank you guys. So in terms of the YRM, which is what I'm about to trade, their promotion ends in 14 hours, their holidays promotion. And this prices will end forever, right? So there is going to be an upgrade into the price section from 1st of January 2026, and the prices are not going to return to the $40 mark. The prices for the starter accounts will increase. That's something I've been told. All the starter prices will increase, right? So this is no longer going to be below 60. Good job. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Well, that's an interesting context here for the markets, because it's not easy to trade it. We got today unemployment claims, 199,000, less than expected, which means the number of individuals who filled for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. Markets reacted positively to that. It's just increasing. Good luck with the accounts. Thank you so much. Well, 5 accounts of Flex is top notch, because that's the best basically you can have. Yeah. I like to give tenacity a bit of a time first. Not touching it yet, and suggesting you to wait for the moment. Yeah, we have our Discord. Here's the Discord link, guys. Make sure to join. Good luck with that, Babar. Flex accounts are at the top. Says invalid. I don't think it should be invalid, because the group is here. But I can see if I can fix it and give you a new link. You want to test this link, guys. This is another link. Test it out. I just sent another one on the chat. 674, guys. I mean, that's 683 daily opening. 689 today's high. If I would long this, the market drops the very moment I enter in the position, guys. That's the current market context. The very moment I'm seeing in a position, the market is dropping if I long this. If I short this, the market is not going to stop till 700s. That's exactly what happens out there. You want to try? I mean, I just grabbed the link. Here's another one. You can give it a try, but this one should work. I just copy pasted, so weird that it says it's expired. Which indicator do I use? We have a lot of them, but the one speaking about today's high, last week's low, allows you to organize your charts like this, and I think that's lovely, right? Look at that. Those are all the things you can look into. And I'm going to send you the link of this indicator. About a script. The indicator is high-low yesterday, last week, last month. It's done by FX365 Thailand. But I'm sending you the link of TradingView in the chat. Thank you guys, thank you. We touched the daily opening here, it's interesting. If we get a little impulse. Possibly downwards. We touched the daily opening, guys. These levels are usually places where the algos could react. So do not expect to see a reaction every single time on last week's low, last week's high. But there's major things that are helping. And you'd like to see also some double confirmation price action model, which means that in the near term, you do want to see the price action reacting there. And you'd like to be on the second reaction instead of being on the first reaction. Right, so today's high, yesterday high, this week high or lows, these things are important. But when it comes down to last week's high and low, last year's highs and lows are also interesting. And then we have the openings, daily opening, monthly opening, weekly opening, yearly opening. We have a separated representation for the London session every single time. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. You got in a short there. Welcome, guys. Hey. We got a problem. But I think we're back. I think we're back, guys. I think we're back. Can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me, guys. I think we got this one fixed, right? Great. Great. Beautiful. Yeah. The whole thing shut down. I just saw a whole blue screen on my monitors. Crazy. Yeah. Market makers were playing some games. Just like we are playing it here, guys. We're touching the weekly VWAP slightly higher. We made a new high earlier. Now we're fully loaded up with all the tech specifics. But the blue screen is probably the market makers. We got an interesting trade here. This is interesting, the other one is not. We're a little bit down here in this one, but I just DCA'd. This is the place I'd like to see what we can do quite easier. I'll take that $800 all the way. Listen up, guys, and a very important day is here. This is a place with a very important day, because this is the place I quickly got in a short 2 minis. Yeah. That's true. Well, let me tell you something, guys. This is a place where we need to do 250 bucks and secure the next payout on Lucid Flex.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Look at that one. $250. And we're actually securing another payout. I want to show that to you guys. Happy trading. Very close to hitting on the target. I just sold the contract there. Selling the whole thing here. 253. 253 net PNL. Look at that one, guys. 253 net PNL. Let me quickly do the math here on this account. And it's already updated. Look at that. This is day number 10. No losses. This is the first cycle. And then we have the second cycle right there. Here, the second cycle. And this is the first cycle. So it's time for celebration, guys. We got to the payout. We got to the payout. For Lucid Flex accounts, 150k. Boom. How much money do we have here? 155,843. But with the money we made today, 156.95 bucks. That's a full payout there. Look at that one, guys. Got it by $3 exactly. Thank you so much, guys. Look at that one. That's insane. That's insane. Scrambles on fire. Props are feeling terrified. That's crazy, guys. Thank you so much. Look at that one. Lucid Flex. It's the 5th day. Back to back 10 days of making money. We just got in a short here as well. And I gotta set my target. But also the break even. And over here, we made 400. Stop loss there. Scrambles on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. We're gonna sing that. $540s. This is good over here too. But this one, grabbing a
Order
little.
filled.
They went for my. They went for my break even, and I just re-got into. What about here? They also went for my break even here. Wow.
Order filled.
We were pretty close on the profitable
Order
side.
filled. Order
I'm buying
filled.
some more. I think we should have a decent chance pulling it below 700s.
Order filled.
Let's just wait and see. 30, 40. Micros. When do we see the first red 5-minute candle, guys? Tell me. When are we going to see it? And how many green ones we have back to back?
Order filled.
Like, this is crazy. We got stopped out on $1,000 loss here. From being very, very close to the profitable side. You know, we're not close to losing the account, but we got stopped out on a daily loss. I'm reopening my short here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think I have a decent chance there for a short.
Order filled.
So how many green candlesticks do we have back to back? $12 green candlesticks back to back on 5-minute. 12. Speaking about the scamming price actions. I don't like that. You know, this is a stop loss we got earlier on a grand that we have set it. We have set our global stop loss on Project X on a grand there.
Order filled.
Yeah. We also got in contact with the weekly volume weighted average price. Oh, Maddie, Happy New Year right there. Congratulations. Thank you. Happy New Year for you, buddy. Hey, look at that one. We're going to run a nice fireworks show for you, buddy. Happy New Year right there. Boom. Look at that one. We're celebrating with our community members. Happy New Year. Forget about the price action today. It's not the most important thing. Forget about it. We got a little short here. Actually, not a little. $8 minis short on this flex account. We made yesterday $6,000 profit. $8 minis short on this account yesterday. I sold 2 contracts there, secured 185, and I'm leaving the rest open. We made on this one, guys, $6,000 yesterday. Selling another contract. We've got $300 secured. I'm leaving it open on 3 minis. On 5 minis, actually. 5 minis. We got 300 secured, which is enough because the target is 250 for the flex accounts. It's 250 for the flex accounts. I'm leaving the rest open for a big day right there. As soon as the market makers are not going to wick like this. What a silly wick they made. Time to see the first red candle. Come on the 5 minute. This is the account yesterday we made 6,000 on a Lucid Flex. Oh, by the way, we touched the target here. $520. The $500 target here has been touched on this Ignite account. And we have DC'd into this one. I don't like the bulls holding it here. The way they're doing it is something I'm not really enjoying. We touched the break even there, but we have $322, guys. Right? That's more than 250 needed. And this is day number 2 in the second cycle. Look at that. They just pushed this one up for my 5 minis to be wiped out. Look at that one. My 5 minis short has been just cleaned. It's gone. And we were having a great time with it. What a lovely price action from the market makers. Give me that money here. I'm expecting the first... I'm expecting 2 5-minute red candlesticks in a row. So let's see. Do not forget, YRM is running their last minute promotions till 2025. So the promo code I have always gives the maximum discount available. Always. But the promotion itself is expiring today. Let me share with you in 13 hours and 50 minutes. 13 hours and 50 minutes. Their holidays promotion expires and the prices will jump to higher levels than it was before. Speaking about the starter accounts. So the IRM compared with a Lucid Flex. You know, there's advantages and disadvantages. For example, with the YRM, your payout policy is simple. Minimum 10 days of $150 and that's it. That one is not expiring today for the instant funded. Right, so the instant funding is not expiring today. This one, instant funded 50% on $450 for the 150k, 10 days of $150 and you're good to go for the payout. This is not expiring today. It's going to continue on the same price with my code, but the challenge accounts will change. So instant funded is not going to change, but the challenge accounts will change. They're working on Trade Evade. They're working to grab that. I think they're already negotiating with Trade Evade. I'm using Volumetrica, web platform Volumetrica, deep charts with a DX feed, data feed. Quite similar to Project X, drag and drop, nice features, so I'm happy with it. Could have continued downwards. Would be lovely that this candlestick to turn red and close it red. 2 red candles in a row, that's all I need. We might go a 683 daily opening with that one. Come on, let's just make this one red. We nicely got the target here, $520. Come on. Max payout is 2,500, and all the payouts are 90 to 10. I think Lucid should bring Volumetrica too. I think it's going to benefit their users. I think so. Markets close early today. I think so, yes. I think you only have a single connection. You cannot have Volumetrica and Quantower at the same time. You can have a single connection. You cannot do multiple connections, no. Yeah. "20 minutes to go when the market closes." I mean, that one market opens, and our giveaway will start quite early. Come on, guys, let's just nosedive the price action here. I prefer Volumetrica. Today, but I think, and let me tell you why. I like the way Volumetrica has inside your dashboard area daily lockout, for example, so you can lock yourself out for the day. You also have your added risk, which you can do daily loss. You can put your daily loss limits, daily profit. For each account, you can set these things. Right, so you have the daily lock and added risk, and that's really valuable, I think. Come on, make it red, guys. Make it red. Nah. What you doing? Savius the same as YRM. Same as YRM. Savius. The same ones. I can even show them here. This ones. Right? They're the same DX feed connection. For Savius, basically, their 300k account is $280. Make it red, guys. Come on. There you go. There's a minute to go. I want to make sure this closes red. How do we make sure? Take profit here. Around $900. But we got a good situation on my Quantower, which is trading in the back end with the same short here. We got back in our short. Do not get fooled by the market makers that are trying to switch me off. We're break even. We have 8 minis short. And I'm ready to see 20-30 points drop. Come on. 20 seconds. Close it red. I don't think so you can connect with TradingView. I don't think so. So the YRM promotion ends today. We got the break even there. We close red. I'm fine with that. But you know, I'm still looking forward to another one for the third soldier. Looks like the algo switched around and the buying pressure is different right now. I don't need more than $900 there, which is why I'm exiting. Otherwise, I would let this one run. I think we have another trade here too, which is nicely profitable. And I'll sell something here. We're too overexposed into sizing. We don't need that much. And I'll take something around 350 bucks here on this one. And then the other one sits like this, stop loss and break even. Let's not, 85 bucks for the stop loss is good. 2 YRM accounts advancing nicely. But then the big money is on the 8 minis, which is happening on my Quant Tower. On a Lucid Flex, there you go. We're break even set, we don't have a target downwards. You know, we could get actually a fat finger. And I'm gonna leave this one open like this. Let's just start printing, guys. We got 8 minis short. And we're not gonna... We might move the trailing above the current candle wick. Because if it reverses from here, is not the best sign for me. Yeah. I put a trailing. We're 3 points away from my trailing. You know, I closed some contracts. Closed 2 more. We just cut our position by half. No longer 8. Sitting on 4 right now. Yep. So yesterday we made on this one $6,000. And today we got to a payout for the other account on a Lucid Flex. But this one we made yesterday 6 grand basically. Today would be the second day. We touched the target here for the YRM, guys. $831. Look at that one. Celebration time. $831. That's crazy. We got another target. Ooh. So today, we had a payout on a Lucid Flex. Max payout, 3,000. And we got a couple of great targets. Moving the stop loss right above the current candlestick. Right above it. If it's not nosediving, you know, guys, our max loss for this account is at $12,000 away. It's 162 grand in the account, and the max loss is at 150, 100. We don't have consistency, we don't have a target, we don't have anything on the Lucid Flex accounts. No consistency, no target. It's just insane, right? These are 150k accounts. We made 12 grand in such an account. You have no daily loss as well. I'm putting my stop loss above the current candle wick. That's lovely, right? I think we also got the target on the other. Putting my take profit a little bit lower. There you go. And I think we got the target here on the other account. 338 secured. That's enough. It's day number 4 of the second cycle here. 338 is enough. The reset fee is about 189. Yeah, I'm putting above the current candle. My stop loss is above the current candle. It's trailing. Probably it's going to get touched. Yeah, it's going to get touched, but we made 1,289 here on this Flex account. Celebration time. We have 162 and the max loss is 150. 150, 100. Oh my god, look at that one, guys. Minimum account balance 150, 100. So we just got targets back and forth. Where is it? This is the place. Let me refresh. This is the account we just traded on Lucid. Let me refresh this page and see if they updated the number. That's not the account we need. This is the account we need. Yeah, 1,289, basically the second day in the cycle. These are the 2 days in the second cycle for this account. Yeah. Yeah. We can make the minimum 250 for the rest of the 3 days and we're gonna take the payout. And that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I said the same thing today, this morning. I'll make 250 today. I don't need more because we're taking max payout and we allowed this one to make 1,289. But you know what? I'm gonna switch from micros. I'll actually switch from minis on this account when I'm gonna trade into micros. You're not gonna see me trading 8 minis on this one anymore, because we don't need it. I'll just make as much as we are taking out, and I'm gonna sit with a $12,000 drawdown. Because I can right now take my time and take the payout slowly and smoothly by producing just the amount of money that is minimum. Every 5 days, $250. We've got 12 grand in the account sitting. So I'm gonna milk the account by producing just the minimum. There you go. Fireworks are there. Testing out a little short here on a different account. This one. On which we actually made $377 yesterday. I'm planning, you know, it's funded, but yesterday was the first day. So I'm planning making that minimum, guys, today as well. That's a lovely short entry, right? I'm gonna put the break even there. And the profit has been touched. 276 profit. Celebration time once again. Scrambo's on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Boom. This is the second day here. Max payout 3,000 exactly. But there is a 90 to 10 pretty much everywhere. 90 to 10, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for you know, this is the Lucid. There you go. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway and join our Discord. Nah, it's not an advertising. I don't want to make this one look that easy. We gotta switch this ones into red days and make it look, let's put it this way. Red, 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 red. Red, red. We didn't touch the daily opening, guys. But I've been smelling those shorts coming through here. I told you, I need a second red candle on 5 minute to be red. And that's what we got. And then just things were running smooth. Yes, guys. If you didn't put your YouTube name in the giveaway, the way you can save this, I'll give you a chance because I gotta be kind, right? Drop me a message. Let me say here, Scramble here from my Discord, right? So drop me a message on private. I just wrote on my Discord, Scrambo here. Drop me a message on private with your YouTube username and the email you linked. Have you watched my Ethereum position, Mohammed? You want to check our Discord, search for the Ethereum keyword, and you'll see our Ethereum position that we have. And you will see the numbers we've got. I mean, the way you do that is not that hard. Where's the account? Here's the account. You go to the web paint tool, you switch it to red, you get that rectangle and you put it like this. Right? And then somehow the system is recognizing that color, and instead of having a red number, it makes it red. That's my trading strategy, guys. I don't have any other strategy. We're a little bit profitable, not that much. We have around $70 to $80 grand in cash out, and we've got some accounts purchased. In the first part of the year, the first 6 months, we bought more, but in the second part of the year, we certainly bought a lot less. Trading was much better. Daily opening touch, guys. The question is, where do I trade that long? Because we got money on all the accounts hitting targets. I do have an account here.
Order
Let me
filled.
just grab a little 15,
Order filled.
30 micros long. And put up with a target like that. 10 points away. I only need $500, guys. No, do not. It's only for that guy. It's only for that guy who said, forgot to put his YouTube username next to his email. It's only for that guy. We have a user that actually forgot to put his YouTube username next to his email. You want to do push-ups or bipedal. The market opens in a minute, guys. No, you're fine, basically. Great to see we have a lot of the people on Discord. Make sure to join us, guys. It's mandatory to be part of the giveaways. It's mandatory. And complete the form for the giveaways. We're a lot of the people here. If we don't react here on the daily opening, I'll take my loss. But I think we might get something in the next seconds.
Order filled.
Yeah, daily loss touched. That's what we get. 1,000. I was a little bit too exposed, but we're 1,000 here loss. We have a daily loss limit of 1,000. A little bit too exposed into that. You know what? I have a... Yeah. No worries about it. Not an issue. Not an issue. With a Discord name being different. Just make sure you put the right YouTube username when you sign up. I think we're gonna run this one all the way back above 700s, but let's just wait and see, guys. Let's just wait and see. They're playing here in the office, running around, putting together a nice bicycle race. Yeah. Good morning everyone. Come on guys, let's bring it all the way into the 700s. Let's see if we can do it. 338 here. I wouldn't mind making an extra money at this point. But let's just wait and see. Got in a little long. We're DCAing. We made a new low there. So I think it's quite interesting to DCA. But of course not in an unlimited manner. Because at some point that can actually hurt you. You gotta know your limits, guys. 2. 1 is 3. And a few months. 4 months. 3 years old and 4 months. The other one is 2 years old. We're gonna cut this one away with their ugly opening. But this red line here is very interesting, guys, I'm telling you. And I'm not yet that scared. DC'd a little bit there. Sure. Thank you guys for joining. Massive giveaways on the show today. Massive. Do not trade today, guys. Look at that. This price section is a little bit dirty. But we're DCing here. This is an important level for me. We made another low after the opening. Not scared about it. If you do micros and you touch the price section at the right levels, you're having good chances with obviously very, very clear limits for your losses. Oh. There you go, profit has been hit, guys. $800 profit. Another big profit there. But actually, I don't need that much, so I'm gonna lose. Listen up, guys. I'm gonna lose. Boom. I'll lose something. And I'll lose something by shorting. You know, I'd like to lose $300. This one. 694, we lose enough. 693, we don't need that much for the consistency. I don't want to make 800. Giveaways will start soon. I don't want to make more, guys. What's happening here? Come on, stop it. We're making too much. You know, we're gonna DCA downwards. Oh my god. We don't need that much. What's wrong with it? Stop it. We're DCAing downwards. We don't need that much. Look at that one. We're not stopping the trade, we're just DCAing downwards till we lose 292. 280s. Come on. Stop it, guys. I'm gonna DCA downwards. I don't need that much. Come on. We don't need that much. We're not closing it. We're not closing it, guys. I'll DCA. So I'm DCing against myself. I don't need that much money. I'm gonna mess my consistency in a way I'll not take my payouts. I don't need this money, guys. I'm DCing downwards. I need to lose $270. Stop dropping me red candles, guys. We don't need them. We don't need that much money made. We got 20% consistency here. Look at that. It's going lower. I'm DCing more. Oh my god. Come on, it's gonna get back to my target. Don't worry, guys. It's gonna get back to my target. They want to mess up my consistency. You see how hard it is today to lose for me? So we're longing it here, guys, on this flex account. The one we made money today. We've longed here in the bottom. $10 minis. Call me crazy, but we got a 10 minis long here. Stop loss and break even. 622. Hopefully they're not touching it. I'll rebuy. Hopefully they're not touching it, guys. Come on, save me. On this account, we made good money today. Let's just make $200,000 in this account and never end the payouts with it. Come on. Come on, guys. Do not allow the markets. I'll just rebuy for a single contract, not more. And another one for sure. That's it for the moment. 2 contracts here. We got 1,300. The target is $250 here. It's gonna count as a trading day. So if it's needed, I'll close out in a loss. But this is the place I need to lose, guys. This is the place I need to lose. Come on. We don't need 1,000 here. We don't need this much money. It's gonna mess up my consistency. Bring it up, guys. Looking pretty interesting. Once the liquidity releases, this is gonna fly. I like to see it around the 700s. I trade with my own money as well, as a swing trader since 2014 in crypto. I don't take this money because I would mess up my consistency a lot. I would have $2,000 here for the day. And if my highest day is 2,000 with a 20% consistency, I need to do 10 grand. And that's an extra $8,000. That's not necessarily. Come on, guys. That's an easy target, 642. I gotta lose here, you know. I can do money, but let's just say that it's not easy. Bring it up, guys. Bring it up. Yeah, I don't need that additional work of 8,000 or 10,000. You know, I'm reshorting here. So I'm DCing against myself. If it drops to another 100 points, I got no choice but to accept the profit. But this way, you know, we have a chance here. We have a chance. Look at that one. We have a chance here. I'm sure it's going to get against me eventually because I'm going to DCA. The lower we get, the more I'm going to DCA, such as here. Right below 620s. No, but the money we have here is way too much for the consistency. I only need 500 bucks profit, guys. Only need 500 bucks. That would be by 2,500 for the 20% consistency. And that's easy. And I can take the same payout. Maximum payout. I don't want to make more than that. Look at that. This is, you know, he's not accepting. He's not accepting doing any spikes. I'm DCing a little more against myself again. I just DC'd there as soon as we broke that and we swept some liquidity. I've DC'd there. Last week's low. Come on, guys. You can go above the consistency, but then you just raise the bar. You got to make the money in order for your highest day to be. This is not Lucid, this is YRM, 20% consistency on instant funding accounts. This is an instant funding account, guys, of YRM. Look at that. We're making more money, guys, instead of... No, I'm reshorting. Oh my gosh. We're making too much money here, guys. What should I do? I don't need this, guys. Do something. And I've hit my maximum size, 70 micros. 69 micros. Let me just DC another contract. 70. There you go. We don't need this money, guys. Come on, do something with the price section. Do something. We need a loss here. Oh my god. Come on, reverse, guys. Come on. We don't need this money. If I close it out, we're gonna have 5 grand. For 5 grand to be the your highest day to be worth 20%, right? 20% consistency on 5 grand. You know what it is? You look at that. I think it's gonna be okay, guys. In the way this price section is going, I think we're doing this. Back to the daily opening. 683, back to the daily opening. Look at that. Look at that buying pressure that stepped in here. Come on. You know, let me tell you something. 3 1-minute candlesticks could hit my target that I have there. If I close at 10K, I'm not going to cash out money from this account. I have to produce $50,000. Come on, guys, give me that loss. I don't need this much money. I'm waiting for the loss to be touched. It's insane, right? You know, it's what it is. Didn't expect it to be like that on New Year's Eve. Hoping for a loss. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday on usual schedules. I don't know if we stream on Friday, this Friday. Make sure to like the video, guys. We're not going to organize the giveaway if you don't like the video. Let's go quickly. We got to go above 200 likes. This is going to hit my target, guys. Come on. I'm not closing because of 20% consistency. I need a loss. I need a loss, guys. So for those of you that are not getting it, we have 20% consistency on this account. Do not think I'm retarded and not closing the account in 5 grand profit. Exactly. This loss is going to make me win money. And it's bringing me closer. Look at that one. They're watching the stream and doing dirty things against, but we could have this level holding, the 90s. I just cannot DCA more. We're max contracts here, and we gotta wait. We need the loss. At a blink of an eye, we get 20 points. Come on, guys. That's beautiful. Energy has been released. Scrambo's on fire. 19 points. Give me that. 19 points. And we celebrate for a little loss. 191 loss is enough. With all the slippage, with all that stuff, we're gonna be fine around $500 profit today. We don't need more. V-shape reversal. There you go, Fred. There you go on a V-shape reversal. This is for you. Nah. Market makers are putting it against me again. Look at that. Market makers are watching us today, guys. And they don't want to give it to me. They don't want to give it to me. What a silly situation, right? But let me tell you, once this thing runs, hopefully to the upside, the 5 minute is not ugly. The 5 minute. Let's just count the number of red candles we've got on the 5 minute. 10 red candles. I think this one could actually end up on green. And then the same story begins to the upside. $10 a.m. reversal. Hopefully. Hopefully it's not going to be a 10 a.m. continuation into strength. I got no more plays to DCA. We're fully maxed out on 70 micros. Exactly. Perfect. But that's a beautiful 1 minute candle for me. You see, I love the green candles, and that's a beautiful one. It goes aggressively to my target on the 630s. Come on, guys. I don't think we're going to get betrayed by the market makers. They don't want to mess up my New Year's Eve with a silly winners. They will moon this price action back. Come on. Give me that profit, guys. There you go. $500. That's all we need. Oh. I've lost my voice. I've lost my voice, guys. I've lost my voice. Oh my god. That's crazy. I've lost my voice. That's insane. But we had to celebrate that. I've lost my voice, guys. Oh my god. $500 is enough, but never experienced like that. Looking for losing 300, and we ended up making 5 grand. That's why companies use consistency rule, exactly. That's why. And you know what? They tell you it is in your favor. You know the Lucid Flex accounts are not giving you any consistency. They just, they just let you go with big winners. Lucid Flex, guys. You can go and flex your muscles there. Yeah, needed to lose 10k for sure. But look at the scandal. I told you about earlier, this 5 minute could turn green. That's what we got. I don't think we're in trouble for a continuation. I don't think. We got an initial reaction from the daily VWAP and 200 EMA, which is on the 30s. But let's not underestimate the strength that's going to come once we clear that 30s. The strength is going to be right next to us. Look at that. Beautiful and lovely community. Once again, guys, make sure to join our Discord community. Absolutely mandatory. Like the video. Like the video. Come on, guys. We gotta climb above 200 likes. We're 240 watching, 170 likes. That doesn't add up on my end. Today we had all the celebrations existing. We celebrated great profits, celebrated big money back and forth, celebrated losses, celebrated all the madness in the world. We got in a quick long here right now. 10, not that little. Come on, guys. Give me that 30, 40 points movement. We have a lovely entry. It's pretty fat. 10 minis. Minis, not micros here. Give me that little run. Come on, guys. 1539. No more trading here. I actually said that twice today, but that's it, guys. Let's just get ready for the giveaway. Let's just get ready for the giveaways. Let's just get ready, guys. This 5-minute as well. We've engulfed the previous one. Quite interesting, but could actually take us nicely into the daily touch. So, for those of you enjoying a YRM with only 10 days of $150 and that's it. 13 hours to go for the biggest promotion out there. And then the great benefits behind the Flex accounts and Lucid. No consistency, no target. No funded next. No. Great to have you on board, guys. So, let me quickly organize here for the giveaway. It's gonna be something special, right? We're gonna leave the biggest giveaway for today for the end. Watch out for that one, guys. Watch out for that one. So let me tell you what you have to do in order to be able to win. First things first. Sign up on the forum. This is the last moment. Exactly, Oliver. The next thing. How to join? Well, you gotta like the video. Absolutely mandatory. Absolutely mandatory. You gotta like the video. You have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. You wanna get a notification when we start streaming and when we post. And you'd like to join my Discord. That's the lovely place for our community, for our great members gathering and putting together educational materials, helpful content, and a constructive environment for us to flourish, especially for 2026. The Tap on Futures promotion is 50% right now. That's the maximum discount. 50% with my code. Alright guys, so I'll give you another couple of seconds to get ready. And I'm telling you, the first giveaway is 25K end of the day drawdown. Tap on Futures instant funding account. That's the first giveaway. $25,000 end of the day drawdown, Tap on Futures. $25,000. We have $225,000 today that we're doing. So this is the first giveaway. Let me think about the way I'll organize the numbers. We're gonna do 5 zeros, 5 number 7, 1 number 1, 1 number 2, and 1 number 3. You can start right now. 5 zeros, 5 number 7, 1 number 1, and 1 number 3. We have 13 entries. Out of these 13 entries, 2 numbers are covering 10 entries. If we have more than 100 winners for a single number, we have 2 rounds of the duck race. Thank you guys. Best of luck. Alright guys, I think we're back. I got all the numbers, guys. I got all the numbers. I've confirmed the numbers are collected with Badger. I confirmed that, guys. I got all the numbers. I got all the numbers. Do not spam more. Do not. You do not need to rewrite. No. We collected all the numbers. We collected all the numbers. You know, I'm gonna say the stop once again, but we collected all the numbers, guys. Come on. The promotion for Savius is until the 4th. Until the 4th. Right, so we got the numbers, guys. We got the numbers. Yes, everyone got all the numbers there. Good. Let me wait. For a couple of more seconds. Because I'd like people to join. I'd like people to rejoin. Few more seconds, guys. Come on. Few more seconds. Alright, I think we're fine. We're gonna shuffle this. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Come on. This is the first giveaway. We have 2 more. We've recorded all your numbers, guys. We have recorded. I think that could be the 0 on the green. That could be the 0 on the green. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. Let's just get to the duck race, guys. $72 winners. Where's the duck race? Come on. 72 winners. You guys will compete for a single minute. Shuffle. Start. Best of luck, everyone. A single entry. A single entry. Do not guess multiple times. You're going to get stopped. And your entry is not recognized. Best of luck, everyone. 20 seconds to go. Come on. 15 seconds. $25,000. End of the day drawdown. Tap on futures account for the best. Who's taking the lead right now? Champ. Look at a champ. There you go, the queen. Champ FX. We've got you, champ. Hey. But let me verify if our person is on the list, guys. Let me verify that. Gotta quickly verify, Champ, if you're on the list. If you completed a formula. We have a lot of the people that sign up today. A lot of the people. So let's just zoom in. Champ. There you go. You are fully confirmed. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations, buddy. Only the first guess is picked up. Only the first guess is picked up, guys. None of the names are missing. We have a lot of the players on the duck race. And that's why you might not see your name. Going for the second giveaway, let me tell you what we have. Second giveaway, $50,000 YRM account. Listen up, how do I organize the numbers here? We're gonna have 10 sevens, right? So 10 number 7, 3 zeros, 1 number 1, 1 number 2, and 1 number 3. You can start right now. 10 number 7, 3 zeros, and then just a single number from 1 to 3. That's how we got it. Best of luck, everyone. $50,000 YRM account. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Tomorrow, no streaming, obviously, but on Friday, 90% yes. For those of you that have joined recently, make sure to like the video and be subscribed. Stop right there. You want to stop spamming the number. Unpaired Electron. You're going to get a timeout of 30 minutes. Unpaired Electron. You're out. We're going to shuffle it, guys. This way. And let it fly. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. That could be the blue 0. It's not going to be the number 7, the very popular, but that could be the blue on the 0 or the number 2, guys, and that's crazy. We've got 3 zeros. That's all we have, but that's not going to be the 0. We had a single number 2. And it looks like that's exactly what it comes out. A single number 2, and that's exactly what it came out. Oh my god. Look at that one, guys. That's crazy. We had 10 number 7, 3 zeros, and then a single 1, a single 2, and a single 3. And the single 2 came out. Look at that one. That's insane, guys. $50,000 account. YRM. Jake, is your time today? Did you just waited for such a day? Look at that. Jake is actually first on the list. You're first on the list, Jake. Look at that one. Is that a sign or something? 16 winners. 16 winners. Competing for a minute, guys. One more giveaway soon. Best of luck, everyone. Let's see. You got a strawberry. But who's gonna take that, guys? Who's gonna take that? Come on. Yeah, the last account is gonna be 150,000. The next giveaway will be 150,000 Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex 150,000 the next giveaway. But this one, who's gonna speed up, guys? Who's gonna speed up? Look at that. 4 seconds to go. Consistency counts. Look at that. Consistency counts. We got you. Jake, ranked number 8. Not bad. Consistency counts. Let's find it out. If you are on the list here. Yes, you are confirmed. $50,000. YRM. Consistency. You made a top 50. You're basically exactly on the spot. So look at that one, guys. Because now it's time for something incredible. Let me show you what do we share right now. You know what? We're gonna share a Lucid Flex of $150,000. This one. This is the one we're gonna share. Lucid Flex 150 grand, guys. This is what we're gonna share. And I'm telling you the way we're working. We're gonna do 2 different numbers only. Number 5 and number 7. And that's it. You can start right now. Start right now. Number 5 and number 7. Guess your number. A single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Best of luck, everyone. Come on, guys. Let's go. Number 5, number 7. Best of luck, guys. Let's go. If we have more than 100 winners, we will take top 5. And only go for a single round of top 5 if we have more than 100 winners. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. We're gonna shuffle this, guys. This way. It's pretty mixed up. Best of luck, everyone. Pretty big deal. A single guess per person. Between 5 and the number 7. That could be the yellow 7, guys. If we stop there. It's hard. It's hard, guys, with the 7. I don't think so. That's going to be the number 5. It's going to be at the very limit, guys. Look at that one, how tight it is. That's the 5. That's the 5 right there. That's the 5 right there. If we have more than 100 winners for the number 5, we will take top 5 and do the second round of duck race. Only if we have more than 100 winners. Let's find it out. That's 129. 129, guys. So clearly, top 5 will do a second round of duck race here. Best of luck, everyone. Two duck races coming exactly. The top 5 will get onto the second round. Come on. We got a pedal right below the desk. For those of you that are not familiar, come on, top 5 is going to qualify for the second round. And keep in mind, this is a 150k Lucid Flex. Have a good day, Rocky Trades. Wish you the best and Happy New Year, buddy. Looking for the best time for the 2026. And this is valid for the entire lovely community. For your family members. For your loved ones. And for the great members. For the great humans of the world. We're not limiting the great wishes. We're actually expanding it. Universally. All the blessings out there. And the best, guys. I think we're off to a great start. But that's going to be 40 seconds left. Should be there. A lot of the names cannot be seen because not all the ducks are on the screen. Some of them are, you know, way behind, but they're still swimming around. All your names are there, guys. All your names. You're just not in the front. Come on, guys. Top 5 will qualify. Top 5 will qualify for the second round. Who's gonna take it? 247 refreshing is there. D-Money, Dark Side, Cataclysm, and the number 5th. iShow. Look at that one, guys. Congratulations for the winners. Let's just verify. Let's just verify, guys. Let's just verify. Pendulum. But let's just verify. Because there's big chances if these guys are not on the list to have different winners. 247. Let's see. 247. 247 refreshing is here. Congratulations, you're confirmed. D-Money. D-Money, yes. Confirmed. Dark Side. Confirmed. Cataclysm. Confirmed. So the first 4 are all confirmed. And then the 5th is also confirmed. Look at that one. Look at that one. So we got all the 5. Time to sign them up. Let's just have them up for the second race, guys. 247. D-Money. Dark Side. Cataclysm. And Aishi. For 30 seconds. Final competition time. Shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. This is a $150,000 Lucid Flex account. Big numbers out there. Look at that one. 2 seconds to go. 247. Speeding up and winning. And that's a big win right there. Congratulations, 247. You got this. 247. Refreshing. Is the happy winner of 150k Lucid Flex. 247. Congratulations for the winner. Congratulations, great community. Thank you guys for every single moment we spent together. Every single moment we had great winners, painful losses, difficult moments, celebration times, hundreds of fireworks shows, and a lot of the great seconds we spent together from educational standpoint. This is the priority of this community, to progress, to become a much better version of ourselves, and to aim for the highs. Gratitude for 2025 is there, and I just appreciate the whole thing, guys, the whole picture we've been going through. I think it has been amazing, but at the same time, I think the next year is bringing surprises, is bringing all-time highs, and is bringing greatness. Great holidays, Happy New Year. Looking forward to it. We could meet up on Friday, I don't know. We'll see. 90% we're gonna be there. 90%. But you will see that on my Discord. You will see that I'll schedule it up on my YouTube. So, wish you all a wonderful time, a wonderful new year, celebration moments. Meet you up on Friday, possibly, if not, 100% on Monday, right? Looking forward to keeping up the chat on our Discord, guys. Thank you so much once again. Thank you for your great contribution, Badger. Thank you for your great contribution, Ronin. To close members of our community, Badger helping us daily with the giveaways, providing the infrastructure to produce the giveaways in a professional manner. Ronin delivering great Discord community management. An absolutely amazing guy. So, you guys want to be thankful for our lovely and great community, and I wish you the best for 2026. The Discord link is in the chat. This Discord link is usually in the how do you call, description of the video, right? I don't have the Discord link right now. Thank you once again, guys. Thank you, Ronin. Thank you, Badger. Thank you, lovely community. We're gonna enjoy some cognac, some good one. Thank you, guys. Looking forward to it. We keep in touch. We keep in touch. We keep in touch on Friday, or maybe Monday. We'll see that. We'll update you guys. Have a lovely day.